This is Chris Giordano with Road Ready from Differentials Plus. Today we're going to talk about suspension and steering. Some of the parts in your system would be a strut, coil spring, tie rod end, ball joints, control arms. All these components are the link between your steering wheel and the tire that's on the road. When these components start to wear, you can have a number of issues. You can have excessive bounce of the front end or the back end of the vehicle. You can have shaking in the steering wheel. Worst case scenario, you could lose a wheel or the ability to steer your vehicle. Simple things that you can look at yourself at home would be this strut. If you see any kind of wetness or oil around this area, it's time to get in and have them replaced. If your vehicle's riding a little rougher than normal, come see us at Differentials Plus and we will get your vehicle road ready. Come see us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can call us at 423-355-1872 and visit us at differentialsplus.com.